That's a burp so loud like yours.
And talk through it too.
And talk through it too. Say, good morning to New Year's Day. Today's January 1st. It's New Year's Day of 2019. So it's 2019. Look, let's see if I can do this. There you go. Say hi. Say good morning. Let's see.
11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not? Here I come. Where's Brody? There you are.
What?
That's what's up.
You are nasty.
You're right. Absolutely.
I have never met a man that does a burp so loud like yours.
And talk through it too.
And talk through it too. That's your specialty. Cannot burp like that. Ever been able to burp like that? Are you gonna exercise too, Brody?
Let's do it.
He doesn't need his tablet. Go, Brody.
Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
3, 4,
Go, go, baby.
2, 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's what I want. I wanna.
Really?
What is she doing? What are you doing, Mama? What is that?
Anna,
Why does it look so dark?
Anna.
Because it's already cooked.
You really need to talk through that.
Boom!
So you're making juice? But you have juice like this. Why are you making more juice?
Rob میشه چی به انگلیسی؟
What is rub?
رب انار برای فسنجون. فسنجون.
Really? You're not gonna translate? What does that mean? What does that mean? Look at all those dishes. That's very clean. Happy New Year, Mama.
Oh, Happy New Year, everybody.
Everybody.
Happy New Year, buddy. Happy New Year.
He likes to mock us. That's his ability to do. Mocking us, that's it.
There's a word he's just saying those moments. Bite me.
So those are the words that you say on those
The
ones.
mess that you have over here,
You mean your mess? That's all you. That is all you.
these are all your letters right here.
That's not true.
Emma. 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 Oh, Emma.
Okay, okay, okay,
Oh, Emma. Emma. Emma.
okay. Look at my pile. Look at your pile.
Okay, let's see.
Wait.
Oh, Emma. Okay, that goes there. Oh, Emma goes there. Oh, it's Emma.
Wait a minute. Oh yeah, that's one.
Oh, that's Emma's too. Guess what? Oh, there's another one. Oh. another one. Oh, how
Many.
about that?
It's all.
Oh, another one. Oh, there's another one.
It's all the hospital bills. What are you talking
Oh,
about?
there's another one.
A pile came out smaller. That is
Yeah, of course.
not
Put
nice.
that away.
That is not nice. Majid collects every trash he can.
That's you.
He's still not gonna win. We're two girls between one guy. And now there's three girls between two guys. You guys, it's a cold morning. It's 21 degrees right now inside the car. Inside the car, I don't know. It's outside, but it might be around there. It might be around there. Majid and I, we are going to shop. I'm still waiting for him. He's inside the house. We need to go fast because babies can, like both of them, I don't like to keep them with mama by themselves because it can be a struggle. So we are going because mama wants, this is what she wants, chips, just for her to binge. She wants chips. So we're gonna go get her some chips, and I do need one thing, so I need to go get it for myself. But yeah, we're going because mama wants chips, and I asked her how many bags. She said 5 bags. I was like, whoa, mom, I'm supposed to lose weight and you're just giving me more things to eat. Ooh. It's hard when you're home and you want to lose weight. But that, nah, you know, every New Year's resolution, everybody has one, and that's mine for sure. Ready?
Oh, God.
So your mom wants 5 bags of chips, huh?
No.
You're not gonna get her 5 bags of chips?
Hell no.
That's what she said, 5. So we ended up at Target. I do not like to come to Target sometimes. I lost my majied. Sometimes I whistle so he can listen. I love coming to Target. Sometimes I don't because I go to always end up buying other things that I don't need to. This is not 5 bags, man.
2 is enough.
2 is enough. Going to the clearance section. You always find stuff. You guys, it's New Year's Day and look at this. Valentine's things are up already and running. People, jeez. We just came back to Target. Everybody's going to sleep now. But this is the reason why we should not go to Target sometimes. Besides whatever we needed to buy for, I ended up buying this stuff. Well, it's like the clearance Christmas stuff. So all of this was like less than $1. Like each item was less than $1. This was like 30 cents. So I always buy like the fancy stickers because these ones usually are very kind of expensive. And I bought chocolates, M&M's for Brody. This chocolate and the A for Ava. Brody has the B back there. That's why you should not go to Target sometimes. It's a trap. Literally a trap. Oh, look, and I found more. Huh? We bought this ones too. With that. Guys, I am heating up right now pozole. If you don't know what's pozole, this is a Mexican dish. It's a Mexican, kind of like a soup. But the pozole is well known just because of, well, a lot of people use it for like their meal, like their hangover meal, you know? Because you need some soup in your life when you're hangover. So my mom yesterday made pozole and she's like, do you want some pozole? And I'm like, oh yeah, I do want some pozole. My mom is not hangover and she doesn't drink, but we just make it because it's so delicious, so delicious. I think Filipino people eats them too, but pozole is so yummy. Mama and Majid are not able to eat it. Well, Majid has tasted it before, but because it's pork, they can make it out of chicken too, but because it's pork, they don't eat it. Majid, the time that he ate it, he took away the pork, but yeah, pozole is so yummy. I'm gonna show it to my mom because she has never seen it, and I wanna see if she wants to try it, even though that it has pork in it. Mama, You want to try it? You don't want to try? No? No eat meat. It has pork in it. You don't want any? Okay. Just because it has pork, she's not gonna eat it, but hey, I'm not gonna push her to it, you know. I put this spicy, kind of like a spicy powder. My mom gave it to me a little bit. I don't need spicy as much, but it gives it flavor, you know. So, oh, and I need lime. What are you doing, Brody? Talking to baby sister?
Oh, there's one.
Mm-hmm. Every time she makes a cry or something, he has to come and comfort her. That is something he has to do. Looks like he's gonna be a great big brother. Hi, Mom. I was supposed to receive the new year with a clean house, and I don't think it will happen. It's a mess, this house. A mess. Ugh.